Today, we'll dive into the world of high-end RVs. These aren't your normal recreational vehicles. They're mobile houses that redefine extravagance on wheels. From cutting-edge technology to jaw-dropping amenities, these 14 opulent RVs will challenge your assumptions about mobile living. Earthroamer XV HD. The Earthroamer XV HD is a one-of-a-kind inclusion on our list, since it is a luxury expedition vehicle built for off-grid travels. This beast, built on a Ford F750 chassis, is meant to transport you wherever in comfort. The XV HD has a rough look, but the interior is all luxury. The inside features high-quality finishes such as hardwood cabinetry and high-end appliances. The living room has a comfy seating area that turns into a bed and a fully equipped kitchen. The Earthroamer's unique feature is its self-sufficiency. It boasts a large 2100-watt solar array, a 20,000-watt lithium-ion battery bank, and a 250-gallon freshwater tank. This enables extended stays in isolated regions without compromising comfort. The bathroom has a full-size shower and a dry flush toilet. Despite its rough nature, the XV HD is not short on technology. With a full entertainment system and smart climate control, the Earthroamer XV HD, which costs roughly $1.7 million, is designed for those who demand luxury without bounds. Living Vehicle. The living vehicle is a modern twist on the luxury trailer, with full-time living and off-grid capabilities. While not a standard motorhome, its luxury features and self-sufficient nature win it a place on our list. The living vehicle, which is built with a sturdy aluminum frame, can accommodate up to 6 people. The interior boasts a large living room, a chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, and a cozy bedroom. The living vehicle stands out for its remarkable solar capabilities. It has up to 3,520 watts of solar power and a 57.6 kilowatt-hour energy storage system, allowing it to live off the grid indefinitely. It also has an atmospheric water generator, which can extract 5 gallons of water each day from the air. The bathroom has a full-size shower and a dry flush toilet. Despite its trailer size, the living vehicle is not short on luxury, with a washer-dryer combo, a home theater system, and even the possibility for a mobile office. With costs starting around $250,000, the living vehicle is a novel approach to luxury mobile living. Travel IH45. Let's bring it back to the States with the Travel IH45. This American-made luxury coach demonstrates that world-class RVs are not only available in other countries. The IH45 focuses on personalization. Each one is made to order, allowing owners to customize everything from the floor plan to the color scheme. However, some features are included as standard, like the Volvo D13 engine, which produces 500 horsepower and ensures you have enough power to handle any road trip. When you enter, you'll be greeted by a huge living room with soft seats and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with high-end appliances and ample workspace for meal preparation. But here's where the IH45 really shines: technology. It has a silver leaf glass cockpit system that provides real-time information on all aspects of the coach's operation. You will have access to all data, from tire pressure to fuel economy. It starts at $1.3 million, making it one of the more cheap options on our list. Numar King Air. The Numar King Air lives up to its regal name by providing a luxurious experience on wheels. This 45-foot luxury coach is driven by a Cummins diesel engine that produces 605 horsepower, providing ample power for any travel. When you enter, you'll be greeted by a spacious living area with fine leather chairs and handcrafted cabinets. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with solid surface counters, a residential refrigerator, and an induction stove. But what distinguishes the King Air is its innovative technology. It has a digital dashboard with 3 12.3-inch displays that show all of the information you need to look at. The Comfort Drive steering system, which includes passive steer technology, makes driving this behemoth a breeze. The master bedroom is a veritable hideaway, complete with a king-size Tempur-Pedic mattress and a spacious closet. The ensuite bathroom has a large shower with a seat and a skylight, adding a touch of nature to your private space. With its price starting at $1.3 million, the Numar King Air provides royal luxury for people who enjoy life on the road. Don't let your dreams of luxury travel hit the road without you. Subscribe now and never miss an episode. Featherlite Vant Premium Plus. The Featherlite Vant Premium Plus elevates luxury to new heights via meticulous attention to detail and the use of exotic materials. This RV is a moving work of art, with hand-laid marble floors, vintage Louis Vuitton trunks repurposed as cabinets, and even a baby grand piano in some configurations. This living space is nothing short of lavish, with custom-made furniture and a cutting-edge entertainment system. The kitchen has state-of-the-art appliances and lots of room for gourmet food preparation. The genuine highlight of the Vant Air Premium Plus is its master suite. The bedroom includes a king-size bed with a luxury mattress, while the bathroom has a multi-headed shower system with heated marble floors. This motorhome meets the expectations of the tech-savvy tourist. It includes a full automation system that manages everything from lighting to security. For those who can't stand to leave their sports car behind, some models even have a garage for a tiny vehicle. With prices starting at $2.5 million, the Featherlite Vant Air Premium Plus is for individuals who refuse to sacrifice luxury even on the road. Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum. Next up is the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum, a motorhome that takes the concept of a mobile office to new heights. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this German-engineered masterpiece is intended for those who refuse to sacrifice luxury or functionality while on the road. The Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum stands out for its expanding office space. With the press of a button, a fully equipped workspace glides out, replete with a desk, ergonomic chair, and all of the connectivity you need to run a business from anywhere in the globe. However, it's not all work and no play. The living room has luxurious leather chairs, a home entertainment system, and a bar for entertaining. The bedroom has a queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress, offering a restful night's sleep wherever you park. Let's not forget the bathroom, or should we say spa. With a full-size shower, heated towel racks, and a washer-dryer combo, you'll have all the amenities of home and more. The Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum starts at $1.8 million, demonstrating that luxury has no limits when it comes to motorhomes. Marathon Coach Custom Prevost. The Marathon Coach Custom Prevost exemplifies American craftsmanship and luxury. This motorhome, built on a Prevost chassis noted for its durability and a smooth ride, is entirely customizable to suit even the most discriminating demands. One of the striking features is the smart home technology that has been integrated throughout. Using voice commands or a tablet, you can control everything from lights to temperature. The living space features handcrafted furnishings and a cutting-edge entertainment system, including a 4K TV that rises from a custom cabinet. The kitchen's area is a chef's dream, with high-quality appliances and plenty of surface space. The master suite, however, is the true showstopper. With a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and bathroom comparable to those seen in luxury hotels, you'll forget you're in a motorhome at all. Marathon Coach takes pride in its attention to detail, which is evident in all aspects of this vehicle. From the hand-stitched leather to the handmade tile work, no cost has been spared. The Marathon Coach Custom Prevost, starting at $2.5 million, is for individuals who desire the absolute finest in mobile luxury. Integra Coach Cornerstone. The Integra Coach Cornerstone is a strong motorhome that combines luxury and practicality. This motorhome is built on a Spartan K3 chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 engine, providing both power and a smooth ride. The inside of the Cornerstone exemplifies superb craftsmanship. The living room includes soft leather chairs, wooden cupboards, and a 50-inch LED television. The kitchen features quartz worktops, a residential refrigerator, and an induction stove. One of the Cornerstone's most notable aspects is its excellent technology suite. It features a Zeit 360-degree video system that provides a bird's-eye view of the coach for simple movement, as well as a collision mitigation system for increased road safety. The master bedroom is a mobile sanctuary, complete with a king-size bed, plenty of storage, and its own 32-inch LED television. The bathroom has a large shower with a glass door and a skylight, bringing a touch of elegance to your daily routine. With a starting price of $700,000, the Integra Coach Cornerstone provides a high-end experience without exceeding the multi-million-dollar range of some of its competitors. If these motorhomes blew your mind, imagine what the next video will do. Smash that subscribe button to find out. Millennium Luxury Coaches. Millennium Luxury Coaches takes personalization to a new level. Each coach is manufactured to order, allowing owners to design their ideal motorhome from the bottom up. Built on a Prevost X3 chassis, these coaches provide exceptional road smoothness and stability. The interior is where Millennium really shines. Imagine exotic wood treatments, luxury leather seats, and cutting-edge automation systems that manage everything from lighting to entertainment. The galley is equipped with high-end appliances and plenty of counter space, making it ideal for the traveling cook. The bedroom is a sanctuary, complete with a king-size memory foam mattress and a full ensuite bathroom. One standout feature is the ability for a mobile office setup, which has a desk built in and the essential connectivity. Millennium coaches start at $2.5 million and are designed for individuals seeking a fully tailored luxury experience. Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. The Liberty Coach Elegant Lady stands true to her name with a smart combination of design and technology. This coach, built on a Prevost H345 shell, provides a smooth ride and is quite durable. Inside, there is a huge living area with custom-made furniture and a giant LED TV. The galley is outfitted with high-end appliances like a dishwasher and an induction stove. What distinguishes the Elegant Lady is its sophisticated electrical system. It has a lithium-ion battery bank and an advanced power management system, enabling long-term off-grid stays without losing comfort. The main suite is absolutely lovely, with a king-size bed, plenty of storage, and a luxurious bathroom that includes a huge shower and heated floors. Considering its pricing starting at about $2.4 million, the Elegant Lady is the ideal combination of elegance and utility. Mero Empire Liner. The Mero Empire Liner is the peak of luxury in the motorhome market. This German-engineered car is constructed on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, which guarantees dependability and performance. The Empire Liner, which is about 12 meters in length, provides enough space for elegant road living. It is driven by a powerful diesel engine with innovative emission control technologies that balance performance and environmental concerns. The interior of the Empire Liner exemplifies exquisite elegance and functionality. The wide living room has luxury leather seating that is designed to optimize comfort and usability for both rest and entertainment. Moving on to the sleeping quarters, the master bedroom is outfitted with a full-sized island bed and a high-quality mattress, ensuring a good night's sleep regardless of the location. An ensuite bathroom adjacent to the bedroom features a large shower and high-quality fixtures comparable to those seen in luxury hotels. The Empire Liner's kitchen is a must-see for foodies. It is built with professional-grade amenities such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a full-sized refrigerator, allowing you to prepare gourmet meals even on the go. The Empire Liner does not skimp on technology either. It has an innovative entertainment system that includes several flat-screen TVs and satellite connectivity for easy communication and entertainment options. A thorough temperature control system provides maximum comfort in all weather conditions. Safety and performance are top priorities in the Empire Liner's design. The air suspension technology gives an extraordinarily smooth ride, and advanced driver assistance functions improve road safety. The sturdy chassis design helps overall stability, which is essential for a vehicle of this size. In terms of sustainability, the Empire Liner features solar panels and a big battery bank, allowing for lengthy off-grid operation without sacrificing comfort or functionality. It should come as no surprise that the Mero Empire Liner is expensive for a vehicle of its kind. The base model starts at about $500,000, while highly custom ones can easily go over $1 million. This pricing is in line with the Empire Liner's status as a top-tier luxury motorhome that provides a level of mobile living that is on par with expensive homes. The Mero Empire Liner is a prime example of the industry's exacting standards for engineering and elegance in RVs. It satisfies discriminating customers who want the finest in mobile living by fusing performance, comfort, and technology in a package made for traveling. Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome is a unique concept in the luxury motorhome market, combining Tesla's cutting-edge electric car technology with the amenities of a high-end recreational vehicle. While still at the conceptual stage, this motorhome design has sparked widespread interest for its potential to transform the RV market. This motorhome design, which is based on the Tesla Semi platform, takes advantage of Tesla's sophisticated electric powertrain for its commercial vehicle. Electric propulsion has various advantages over standard diesel-powered motorhomes, including zero emissions, lower running costs, and perhaps decreased maintenance requirements. With adjustments to make room for living areas, the Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome concept's exterior design keeps the original Semi's streamlined aerodynamic shape. The vehicle's sleek design helps to maximize range and energy economy in addition to adding to its contemporary appearance. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome's interior design calls for a roomy living space that makes the most of the Semi's huge cab and trailer. There should be a fully equipped kitchenette, cozy seating sections, and enough room for many people to sleep in the living area. It is predicted that premium materials and smart home technologies would play a significant role in the interior design, in keeping with Tesla's reputation for luxury and innovation. One of the most significant aspects of this notion is the potential for long-distance travel. Using Tesla's excellent battery technology, the semi-truck motorhome might provide exceptional driving ranges between charges, possibly comparable to or exceeding that of standard diesel motorhomes. This feature would make long-distance travel in an all-electric RV a viable option. The incorporation of Tesla's autopilot technology is another important part of this design. While full autonomous driving is still in development, the addition of enhanced driver-aided technologies might significantly improve safety and minimize driver fatigue on lengthy trips. Energy management is an important aspect for any electric vehicle, especially those meant for long trips away from regular power sources. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome concept includes the integration of solar panels and innovative energy storage devices to support off-grid living. These features would enable occupants to power onboard systems and amenities without relying on charging points. While pricing for this concept has not been formally determined, industry experts believe that a production version of the Tesla semi-truck motorhome will be positioned in the high-end luxury motorhome market, with prices ranging from $500,000 to more than $1 million, depending on specifications and features. It's worth noting that the Tesla semi-truck motorhome is still only a concept. The development and future manufacture of such a vehicle would be contingent on a variety of circumstances, including market demand, technology breakthroughs, and Tesla's strategic ambitions. However, the concept continues to pique curiosity and spark debate about the future of sustainable luxury motorhome travel. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome concept is a bold vision for the future of luxury RVs, combining environmentally friendly mobility with high-end mobile living. If implemented, it has the potential to raise the bar for motorhome performance, efficiency, and technology. Like this video if you're now considering living the high life on wheels, and make sure you subscribe. Integra Coach Anthem. The Integra Coach Anthem is a motorhome that offers an excellent combination of elegance and functionality. This 44-foot coach is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 engine, providing both power and a comfortable ride. The inside of the Anthem exemplifies superb craftsmanship. The living room includes soft leather chairs, wooden cupboards, and a huge LED TV. The kitchen features solid surface counters, a residential refrigerator, and an induction stove. One of the Anthem's most notable aspects is its amazing technological suite. It has a 360-degree video system for simple maneuvering and a collision mitigation system to improve road safety. The master bedroom is a veritable hideaway, with a king-size bed, plenty of storage, and its own LED TV. The bathroom has a large shower with glass doors and a skylight. With a starting price of $650,000, the Integra Coach Anthem provides a high-end experience at a more affordable price point. And there you have it, 14 of the most opulent, inventive, and mind-blowing RVs on the planet. From mobile mansions to eco-friendly explorers, urban-savvy compact designs to starry wonders, these vehicles are redefining what it means to travel in luxury and pleasure. Whether you're dreaming of traveling the open road, looking for inspiration for your own RV excursions, or simply admiring the pinnacle of vehicle luxury, we hope this trip has ignited your imagination and perhaps even a little wanderlust. If you enjoyed this video, then check out our next video about the 25 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind.